Wind gusts, once again, they're going to ramp up later on today. We may see wind gusts perhaps approaching 40 miles per hour during the afternoon, but I suspect it'll probably be in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range at many points, probably under 35 miles per hour. So another windy day, but probably a little less breezy compared to recent days. Everybody's got the wind today, but the red flag warning that we have is only for southern Nebraska, mainly along and south of the interstate. This does include McCook out towards the Tri-Cities, but it doesn't technically include Lincoln, it does include Beatrice. And the reason for this is the driest air will be where we have this warning. We've got a disturbance approaching that could throw just a little bit more moisture into the picture for the northern sections of the state. We'll take you through Stormcast because we'll see the disturbance pretty clearly. By 7 a.m. watching some cloud cover. In fact, on satellite imagery, we already see this cloud cover overspreading central regions of the state and going into northern Nebraska. And that cloud cover is headed our way. We may turn mostly cloudy during the afternoon hours in Lincoln. And in fact, some versions of Stormcast want to throw some showers into the picture. The thing is, we've got so much dry air in the low levels of the atmosphere to work with, probably about 8,000 feet worth of dry air. That's a lot of dry air. So a lot of the precipitation we see on radar later today probably isn't reaching the ground. And then we clear out completely going into Friday night. As far as the precipitation potential goes, not great. Even this 1/100th of an inch may be a stretch in many locations. I think most of us will get through the day completely dry. For a high temperature, I'm thinking 69 degrees in Lincoln. Warmer air off towards the south, maybe reaching the lower and middle 70s out towards the Tri-Cities and Beatrice, Hebron, and Fairbury. But cooler off to the north, lower and middle 60s out towards Columbus and Omaha. 73 degrees on Saturday with a mix of sun and clouds, but then we cool off once again on Sunday. 62 degrees there and into the 50s on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So it's going to be quite a chilly pattern early next week, maybe even the growing season coming to an end with 20s in the forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. That is a hard freeze. Technically 28 degrees and lower is what we consider to be a hard freeze, and we've got a good shot of doing that next week.